County, northwestern Elmore County, Chilton County, northeastern Perry County, Coosa County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What county was that?
At 8:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Strickland Crossroads to gap of the mountain to 7 miles northeast of Heidelberg, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Son.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator.
Rotation.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clanton, Jemison, Rockford, Kellyton, Equality, Stewartville, Rio Gufka, Thorsby, Deepsville, Eclectic, Maplesville, Billingsley, Dollar, Bradford, Camp of the Mountain,
Dollar sign, guys.
Arnold, Titus, Strickland Crossroads,
Midas from Fortnite.
and Bentleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Coosa, Alabama.
I got a review of that first county.